Going to see about logarithm. Suppose if we have a number y equal to a to the power x, how we have to write it in logarithmic form is we have to write it as log y. This a should be written as base. It is equal to x. So when you have y is equal to a to the power x, it can be written as log y. This number a should come as base to the base a equal to x. Suppose they have given in log and you have to express it in exponential form, means I have to write this as a to the power x. This a should go to the other side. A to the power x equal to y. We should be aware of both the ways of writing. அதாவது எக்ஸ்பொனென்ஷியல் ஃபார்மில் கொடுத்தா நமக்கு லாக்ரதமிக் ஃபார்ம் எழுத தெரியணும். லாகமெதிக் ஃபார்ம்னா இந்த ஏ கீழே பேஸுக்கு கொண்டு வந்து இந்த எக்ஸ் மட்டும் இருக்கும். இல்லையா லாக் ஃபார்மில் கொடுத்தா நமக்கு எக்ஸ்பொனென்ஷியல் ஃபார்மில் எழுத தெரியணும். இந்த ஏ அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போய் ஏ டு த பவர் எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஒய் அப்படின்னு எழுத தெரியணும். Now certain things we should know before we are starting the exercise. What are the things we should know is the value of log 1 to the base a. Log 1 to the base a is always 0. பேஸில் எந்த நம்பர் வேணால் இருக்கலாம், ஆனால் இங்கே log 1 இருந்தாலே it is 0. The second thing what we should know is log a to the base a is equal to 1. இங்கே இருக்கிற நம்பரும் பேஸில் இருக்கிற நம்பரும் ரெண்டுமே சேமாக இருந்தால் the value is 1. Log a to the base a is equal to 1. Next what we should know is we can take log only for what it is positive numbers. So domain of log will be always 0 to infinity. We can take logarithm only for the positive numbers, not even 0. So that's why open interval 0 to infinity. Okay. Now the range of the logarithmic function can be positive as well as negative numbers. So range of the logarithmic functions will be minus infinity to plus infinity. Now next we are going to learn some rules. Suppose if you have log x to the base a to the power n. This power can be written as n log x to the base a. இது பேரு power rule. log x to the power n to the base a இருந்தா ஏதாவது ஒன்று பவர் ஃபார்மில் இருந்தால் அந்த பவரை தூக்கி முன்னாடி போடலாம். So n log x to the base a. Next what we are going to see is suppose you have log xy to the base a. Product ஃபார்மில் இருக்கு. log xy to the base a னா நம்ம ப்ராடக்ட் ஃபார்மில் இருந்தால் இப்படி பிரித்து எழுதலாம். log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Next is if you have in the form of division x by y to the base a. Suppose you have log xy to the base a, then I can write it as log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஃபார்மில் இருந்தால் நம்ம பிரித்து எழுதும் போது ப்ளஸ், டிவிஷன் ஃபார்மில் இருந்தால் நம்ம வந்து ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எழுதும் போது நடுவில் மைனஸ் போடணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் 8th one, suppose I have log a to the base b. Like this if I have, for calculation purpose I need to change the base, means I can write it as 1 by log b to the base a. எனக்கு இந்த பேஸ் மாற்றணும், பிக்கு பதிலாக ஏ கொண்டு வரணும்னா I should write it as reciprocal 1 by log b to the base a. With this all the things only we are going to do the exercise. So let us see what are the things we should know. We should know how to write from exponential form to logarithmic form, as well as the value of log 1 is 0. Log of a to the base a, both the numbers are same, is the value is 1. The domain of logarithmic functions are always 0 to infinity. The range of the logarithmic functions are minus infinity to plus infinity. Log x to the power n means we can put that power in the front. So you will have n log x to the base a. Log xy to the base a means I can write it as log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Log x by y to the base a means I can write log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Log a to the base b means I can write it as 1 by log b to the base a. Exercise 2.12, first question. Let b be greater than 0. That means b is positive numbers and b is not equal to 1. Express y is equal to b to the power x in logarithmic form. Also find the domain and the range. இப்போ இந்த y equal to b to the power x வந்து exponential formல இருக்கு. இது logarithmic form கொண்டு வரணும்னா I told you in the introduction itself. Let me bring the b this side. So what I will have, log y to the base b equal to x. So this is the way how we will write it in logarithmic form. We have to write here log, then we have to bring this b down. So log y to the base b is equal to x. Now next we have to write domain. What did I say? The domain for the logarithmic functions is always positive numbers, that is 0 to infinity, open interval. Square bracket போடக்கூடாது, ஏன்னா 0 வராது, 0க்கு மேலே இருக்கிற positive numbers. Range for the logarithmic functions, it can be negative numbers as well as positive numbers. That means minus infinity to plus infinity. So logarithmic function can have the range all the numbers. All this we saw in the starting itself.